Okay, good afternoon to all. Okay, today is our, third weeks, right, for the lab. Okay, third weeks for the lab. So therefore, saya akan, as I mentioned in the group, saya akan brief lah you all how to do and then where you can get information and etc. Okay, but I think you need to ask me what you don't understand. Okay, regarding the labs, because all the instructions, all the videos, all the submission link I already upload in the e-learning portal. Okay, I hope you can see my section in e-learning portal. Okay, you can open it and then go to experiment 7 and everything is there. Okay, everything is there. So the instruction, how to do the labs, the format, the content and others, you can refer to the videos that I sent to you in the groups. Okay, actually I record for the first session of the lab. Okay, so I brief them about the formatting, about the content, how to do this and how to do that. Okay, for this lab, okay, my suggestion is you need to follow the sequence. Okay, as you can see for my section for experiment 7, okay, I already arranged the content from top until the bottom. Okay, you can see I can share with you. Let me share my screen with you. Just a minute, okay? I need to. Okay, I share my screen with you. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right. Okay, so on my screen, okay, what I want to inform is you need to follow the sequence. Okay, start from this video until the submission for your groups, group 5. Okay, everything is there. Okay, the briefing about the lab, you can watch from the previous videos as well for others group. So no need for me to repeat the same things again. Okay, maybe for this session, I just open for Q&A session. If you have any question to ask related to the experiment. Okay, I open for any question you want to ask. If you want to ask me any question, please unmute your mic so you can ask me the questions. Okay, type also no problem, but I think I prefer you ask me if you unmute your mic. Okay, any question?
Good afternoon, Peter.
Okay, good morning.
And Tan.
Okay, Tan, okay.
If we conduct our own discussion for the experiment, do we have to do it in the WhatsApp group with you, or we do our own self?
Okay, for the discussion, you should do by your own.
I mean some sort on meeting or what? Not the discussion for the the result. It's the discussion between us.
Okay, you should put in the group. So I can monitor as well. If you discuss the wrong things or wrong information, I can correct it throughout the times. Okay, so no problem. Just post in the group is help as well other clicks to improve the reports. Okay, that's why I purposely create the group, so therefore I can monitor your discussion as well. I can interrupt if I need to interrupt your discussion, something like that. But I think no problem. You can post in the groups if you have any questions. Okay, very good, Tan. Very good question.
And one more question. So
yeah.
We don't have put anything related about the qualitative analysis using computer software, right, in the report.
Exactly. Because for computer method, just demonstration. You didn't do the experiment, right? So just focus.
in the lab we also didn't do for the computer analysis.
In the lab, I show you demo how to use the software, right? Inside the video. Okay, so therefore, in your lab, you no need to report back about the computer method searching, something like that. Just focus on the Hanawa and Fing only, the flow and procedures. Okay.
Okay. Thank you,
All right.
Doctor.
Good. Thank you, Tan.
Okay.
Any question more from others?
I think.
Okay, nothing.
So, Doctor, so anything, any questions regarding the experiment, we should ask via WhatsApp, right?
Yeah,
Tak.
exactly.
So,
Exactly, Putri. So that's why I not purposely do the long briefing today as about the video you already
the
have.
previous video. you
Yeah,
already-
and then you can watch it again and again, and then if you're not clear, you can ask me inside the groups. It's much better. Don't personally, because sometimes personally, maybe I explain to you, but other colleagues doesn't understand what you should do. Okay, that's why I prefer you post in the group so everybody can see, everybody can improve their reports as well.
Alright.
Okay. Any question more? You want to?
Doctor,
Yeah.
for our group, the time for submit also Friday midnight, right?
Yeah,
I can-
before 11.
Yeah,
Submission?
Friday midnight.
Okay, thank you.
Because I extend a little bit. Normally, Dr. Yani asked you to submit by 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I allow you submit by midnight. So I give you more ample time lah to complete the task, because I know you have many things to do on hand. Okay, so I give you another extra hours to complete the report. No problem, because it's up to the lecturer how to manage the submission. For me, I allow you to submit until midnight. It's okay. No big issue at all. Okay, but please remember, for the submission, you must follow the format that Dr. Yani already explained in the briefing. Okay, you need to fill out the form, you need to print this evidence. Okay, this session I will share later using my YouTube channel. Okay, so I can share nanti this link with you, so you can capture the image, and then you can submit together with the report. I think Dr. Yani dah minta kan satu form, tak silap saya. Dia minta gambar lah, list of what you have discussed lah. Betul kan?
Yeah.
As far as I know lah, as far as I know.
The proof of discussion. Betul.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's why I share you this video so you can capture lah your own image. No problem.
So
Okay.
we just use this evidence.
Yeah, this image. Okay, I will share later with you. Okay. So any question more from you? So far, how your labs? Is it okay? Very difficult, right? Online.
Yeah, very difficult.
Yeah, but
It's a bit disappointed to can't to do the practical.
exactly. We also disappointed because we cannot face the student face to face. Okay, but we cannot do anything. Just follow the rules, and then hopefully, sebab kita predict, hopefully after midterm break you can come back to the campus. But I'm not sure for the first year. Okay, as far as I heard, university, let's say the COVID is quite okay, maybe they allow the first year to come, okay, and followed by the others. But I don't know the situation now. But around the campus now, the situation is quite bad as well. Okay, in front of our campus, they have a lot of cases. Around campus, a lot of cases. So that's why even staff also, they restrict the staff to enter the campus. Okay, so any question more?
No.
Okay, Wan, kalau ada tak boleh pakai mic, you can type, no problem. If you have any question, so if you have any question to ask.
No.
Okay, so alright, do we note? Okay, kejap Okay, I miss one punya question. Okay, Wan tanya, do we need to include abstract in our lab report? Yes. Okay, abstract kena include sebab you kena tengok, okay, tips dia mudah saja untuk dapat A untuk lab. You perasan tak dekat first page of the front cover tu, dia ada rubrics kan, ada markah. Let's say abstract, how many marks, discussion, how many marks, and others. Okay, you need to focus on that. But normally, of course lah, the portion besar dekat part discussion. Okay, discussion. So, jadi untuk your report, kena abstracts, kena ada lah. Okay, so but my tip is for the discussion, better you do the discussion by your own. Sebab to be honest, sebab sekarang COVID punya season pun kami tak boleh too straight to the student sebab you tak boleh buat hands on, you tak boleh dapat physically seen the instrument, just depends on the videos and the instruction given by the lecturers. But for me, I am quite linear with that. Okay, as long the rule is you need to do that by your own. Okay, the discussion by your own words. Sebab it's easy for me to trace whether you are copying from the internet or you are do by your own. It's easy to identify. Okay, don't judge the report based on the length of the paper. I mean the length of the pages. Okay, but important the content what you did inside. Alright. Any question more? I target by 3 o'clock we finish. But normally for my lab, I give briefing about 2 hours. Only for briefing. If we did physical briefing. Okay, I think the longest is briefing for all experiments, compared with all experiments. Okay, any question? I think Marilyn want to ask something. I cannot hear you, Marilyn. Maybe your speakers problem. I cannot hear you. Okay, if not you can type, Marilyn. I think your speakers. Okay. By the way, you others kalau siapa-siapa ada soalan lagi, sementara kita tunggu Marilyn type ke set balik dia punya mic. Any question other than what we have discussed just now? Okay. Okay, I can hear you. Okay, Putri, you want to ask something?
Yeah, you can answer Marilyn's question first.
Okay, when we want to submit our assignment, how do we name our file? For me, I don't have any specific format sebab I akan tarik daripada sistem. I already get your folder. So your folder complete with the student and matrix number, so no problem for me. Just at least put your name, matrix number, and the date is enough. Okay, I don't have any specific because I dah cuba system. I normally extract your report from the system and they're already dah susun ikut alphabets, the download submission system. Okay, Marilyn? Okay, good. Putri, any question you want to ask?
Okay, doctor. So I'm quite confused between abstract and introduction. So basically,
Okay.
abstract.
Okay, very good question, Putri. Abstract, okay, senang nak cakap. In simple words, okay, abstract adalah short explanation what you have done for that experiment. Okay, what you have done. For example, saya kata this XRD lab explain about the quantitative and qualitative analysis, blah blah blah. Okay, in this experiment, Hanawha and film method has been used, and others. Okay, for introduction, normally the theories behind your experiment. Kamu tengok Bragg's law dalam tu, betul? Bragg's law equation, how XRD works, and etc. That's we call introduction. Okay, normally in simple word, the abstract tu selalunya your own words lah. Okay, paling mudah tips dia, you kena brief sedikit short introduction, what you have done, okay, what you have done, the result that you get. Okay, the result that you get. Because dalam this lab activities, I give you exercise, betul? I give you exercise. So in abstract, you should highlight what is the answer you get from throughout the exercise by using Hanawa and Fink method. Okay, and number 4, you need to discuss a little bit about your result. Okay, for example, dalam case eksperimen kita ni, okay, regardless of the method that you choose, either Hanawa or Fink, the answer must be same. Okay, that's a rule. Okay, kalau kamu buat Hanawa dengan Fink, kalau jawapan dia salah, tak sama, bermaksud kamu punya proses salah. Okay, that's a rule. Maksudnya kalau kamu dapat same answer with a different method, okay, it might be a correct answer. I tak kata betul, tapi kemungkinan. Okay, sebab kalau kalau tengok dalam database, okay, kita selalu jumpa dia akan redundant the value of the data. Okay, so for the abstract tak perlu banyak. Selalunya kalau abstract ni dalam quarter page cukup. One page tu, quarter page is abstract. Introduction can be 1, 2 or 3 or more introduction. But for me tak perlu lah kot you tulis banyak-banyak. Paling mudah introduction, you follow a little bit inside apa yang dah stated dalam manual lab, ubah ikut kesesuaian. Macam Tan kata tadi, untuk introduction kita tak go through the the computer method. So adjust a little bit the content of the introduction. Okay? Wan tanya.
Thank you, Doctor.
So, okay, welcome. So about the abstract, we need to include for every lab report, right? Because I thought it's necessary for EBB 135. 135, what do you mean 135 what? 155 kan?
325.
135 eh?
Yeah. I think this is for not for first year.
Oh, long report. Long report selalunya memang kena abstract lah. Selalunya eksperimen 1 dengan 2 kena abstract. Memang kena ada abstract. Okay, tapi untuk saya pun kena ada abstract lah. Sebab markah pun diberi juga untuk abstract. Okay. So abstract macam saya kata tadi lah, what you have learned in the lab. Okay, selalunya untuk I tak linear sangat lah untuk report. Okay, I just want to see especially your answers lah. Okay, once you get the correct answer, normally I give 100. For me, it's easy. If you get correct answer, I give 100. If wrong, I give 0. Sebab SRD, you don't have any option. Only single answers. Okay, you tak ada jawapan yang selain daripada A. Contoh kamu ada A, jawapan dia A, jawapan dia mesti A juga. Kamu tak boleh ada jawapan B ataupun C. Sebab dia adalah measurement yang I can say 99% accurate. Okay, so but don't so far I mark your friends lab report for the group 7 and 6. So far the answer is correct lah. Okay, sebab it's easy. As long as you follow my video, you follow my instruction, you can get the answer. Okay, any question? 5 minutes more.
So about the introduction. So if I include the background of SRD machine and all, like
tak perlu kot,
formulas.
Puteri. Saya tak perlu kot.
Oh.
Sebab bagi saya paling mudah untuk intro, kamu guna apa yang ada dalam manual tu as your framework. Just ubah sikit-sikit saja introduction tu. Sebab introduction normally saya akan bagi full marks.
Okay.
Tapi saya tak nak lah you punya all introduction sama. You faham tak maksud saya?
Yeah.
Okay, bermaksud ubah sikit-sikit saja sebab saya tak nak nampak you punya intro semua sama. Okay, ubah sikit. Maybe just put a bit info ataupun if you think necessary but don't put major changes on introduction. Okay, just small one. It's okay. Okay? But intro don't tak perlu panjang-panjang lah kot. Intro. Maybe 1 page or 1.5 page cukup lah. Okay, may I know untuk report sebelum ni you hantar pakai handwritten ke ataupun computer written?
For experiment 5, we type written.
Type written lah.
Type written.
Okay, me as well lah type written. I tak nak lah pakai handwritten. Sebab type written dia memudahkan you all juga. Nak type senang.
Yeah.
Okay, kalau saya mudah je. PDF file yang kamu dapat, convert to Word, rearrange back the format. That's all. Okay, but my tip is for the result and the discussion, please do by your own. That's selalunya orang kata penentu lah. Either you get A minus or B. Okay, that's all. Focus on that. The rest, I think you can tambah sikit sana, tambah sikit sini. Sebab first year, we don't see that is a major concern. Only the concern is how you understand about the fundamental. How we can measure your fundamental understanding through the discussion. Okay, that's really important.
Right. Thank you, Doctor.
All right. Any more? Okay. If not, thank you very much for your time today. You can keep posting in the groups. Okay. If you don't understand anything, I try my best to answer it if I can answer it. If not, I need to find the answer for you and come back to you back. Okay. So the deadline is Friday midnight before 12 lah. Sebab I dah set system by midnight on Friday. Alright. If not, thank you very much. Take care. Stay safe. Don't travel anywhere lah the time being. Okay. Alright. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.